Welcome to San Francisco! We're here, Pier 39.
We're going to
Pier 39.
Crab House. We're here. Hi. Table for two? Hi guys, so we are at Crab House here in San Fo and I'm so excited!
It's our first time.
On the wings of love, all of us together
Flying high.
Anyway, we ordered the whole crab. And
She ordered ako.
yeah, I ordered because, you know, I'm a seafood girly. It's $59 for the whole crab and it's 2 pounds. And we also ordered a steak and on top of it, there's like a crab meat. We also ordered crab chowder. Here's the crab, so big. Thank you. Yeah. Try it. Wow. Yes.
Yep.
Thank
You guys want to wear the bib?
Sure, yeah.
Crab tools, all the shells are going here.
Ayan guys, naka-bib kami para hindi marumihin yung outfit namin. Lalo pa yung color, it's very puti. Okay, I'm gonna try the crab chowder. May alaboy.
Yayo.
Yeah. Wow.
Sobrang sarap. Crab chowder.
I don't like sourdough bread.
It's alright.
Walay pa yung mga tao, mamangga.
Banggaan ka? Kasi naman kasi mga sila? Kanang dalawa? Sa banggaan pa na ko? Lasi ka na siyo? Tanda drop of doom ba?
Wala mo.
Tara.
Can I write that?
Which one?
You. Kadaghan man di ay.
Kaya mo yan?
No, I can't.
Mababa lang yun eh.
Ilok kayo sa tiyan. And yes, ganito kaganda ang view ng San Fo from above. Sobrang surreal. Dati pinapanood ko lang to sa On the Wings of Love. Ngayon, andito na kami. It is 11 p.m. and we are out para mag-dinner. And medyo nakakatakot na maglakad ng gabi but mas nakakatakot magutuman. Medyo confusing yung lugar kasi puro hagdan, paakyat lang ng paakyat. Akala namin scam yung place but we are here. It is one of our favorite restaurant and always namin ino-order is chicken alfredo, pasta, and the triple chocolate cake. Sobrang sarap, promise. Hi! It is our second day here in San Fo and sinalubong kami ng ulan. Ganito talaga dito pag winter sa California, umuulan sa city tapos snow naman sa bundok. Pero syempre, tuloy pa rin ang gala. First stop, Budin. Sikat sila sa sourdough bread nila. Umorder ulit kami ng crab chowder served in a sourdough bread. For me, it is 8 over 10. Masarap naman pero di lang ako fan ng lasa ng sourdough bread. And we are now heading to the iconic Golden Gate Bridge. Sobrang ganda in person, like mapapawaw ka, and I still can't believe we are here. Nakita ko lang to sa postcards sa On the Wings of Love, and now I'm finally seeing it in person.
Hi. We're here sa Garden Grove. Gardens by the Bay. Golden Gate. Golden Gate's viewpoint to take some pictures. Take some pictures of the scenic view of the Gigi Bridge. Gigi! Oh, you can see the tip of the bridge now.
Wow, it's so pretty.
I know, right? Konting tiis ganda na lang. Love, kaya ba, love?
Kaya pa.
Ayan, kaya. Ano pa ba?
Totoo talaga na everything happens at the right time. Naalala ko pa nung nag-apply ako for a tourist visa, ang reason ko pa noon was to celebrate my birthday with Ken sa Golden Gate Bridge. Pero na-deny ako. Pero alam mo, God is really good. Pinag-antay niya ako kasi may mas maganda pala siyang plano. Ang makasama ko, ang asawa ko for good. And now, we are going to places na dati pinapangarap lang namin. Katulad nito, we are finally together dito sa famous Golden Gate Bridge. After spending some time sa Golden Gate Bridge viewpoint, we headed back to our hotel to change outfits kasi manunod kami ng NBA game. First time ko manood ng live kaya sobrang excited ko. Pero syempre, dinner muna and we are having dinner at a taco restaurant malapit lang sa Chase Center kung saan gaganapin yung game.
Hi guys, we're here at the Chase Center. We're gonna watch the Golden State Warriors game with Stephen Curry. Let's go! Punta na siya. Sana andyan siya. I hope he's there.
Ride the beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas and eat a red light. Ride the beat when you rock
Oh
the
my
mic.
God, we're here. Masulad
Ride the
na
beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas and eat a red light. Ride the beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas, make a left, go right. Ride the beat.
Grabe, ang saya pala talaga manood ng live game. Iba yung energy ng crowd. Sayang lang natalo ang Golden State Warriors pero sobrang unforgettable pa rin ng experience. Thank you Moreno family sa pagregalo ng tickets and of course, sinulit na namin ang chance to buy some Warriors merch. It's our last day and we are out and about exploring San Francisco again. Right now, we are driving along the famous Crooked Street or Lombard Street. Sabi ko nga, marami namang ganitong palikong-likong kalsada sa Pilipinas at yung iba, sira-sira pa. Pero did you know na this is considered the crookedest street in the world? Lombard Street is an east-west street dito sa San Francisco. Nasikat dahil sa sobrang tarik at isang block na puro liko with 8 hairpin turns. Grabe diba? Para siyang zigzag na literal. Ang ganda pa kasi ang daming flowers at ang view ng city makikita mo from the top. Perfect for photos. And of course, hindi pwede mawala sa itinerary ko ang sweets. Since mahilig ako sa chocolates, we are here at Ghirardelli Square. Fun fact, Ghirardelli is one of the oldest chocolate brands in America since 1852 pa. Dito sa San Francisco, Ghirardelli Square is super popular. Ang daming desserts like hot fudge, sundaes, chocolate drinks, and of course, the best part, free chocolate samples kapag pumasok ka sa store. Heaven for chocolate lovers like me.
Hi guys, ang ganda ng kasama ko guys, oh. Wow, so sexy. Tapos yung kauban kay K-pop,
Gapo kayo.
ang buhok na ko.
Gapo kayo.
Yung outfit.
So foggy.
Yap, bro. Yap. Yap.
Goodbye San Francisco and see you again soon. Manifesting na next time makasama ko na buong family. It's really a beautiful city pero syempre mas masaya pagkasama ang mga mahal natin sa buhay. And now we are heading to Mountain View. Mountain View is a city here in Silicon Valley, California. Tech hub talaga siya. Dito matatagpuan ang headquarters ng mga big tech companies like Google. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo ang daming tech offices around and sobrang linis at tahimik ng lugar. We just checked into our hotel and dito kami magsistay for Christmas Eve. Guys, this one is worth a room tour, so here it is. Ang ganda talaga at sobrang linis. When I book hotels, lagi kong chine-check yung bathroom. Medyo maarte ako pagdating sa restroom or bathroom area. But since this is a 4-star hotel, I already expected na maganda yung amenities. And so far, I love it. The room is really nice, super linis, modern yung design, and the best part, may view pa. We chose this hotel pala kasi malapit lang siya sa church where we are going to celebrate the Christmas Eve Mass together with our family friends. I am currently packing our gifts for the people who gave us the NBA tickets. Ito yung mga nabili ko sa Ghirardelli. They have kids, so hopefully magugustuhan nila to. We're going out and about to celebrate Christmas Eve. Going down. It is already 5 p.m. and we are out for dinner. Grabe, iba-iba talagang vibes ng bawat city dito sa California. Nasa Cali pa rin kami pero iba yung feels dito sa Mountain View. And did you know, according to Google, Mountain View is one of the most expensive cities to live in dito sa US. We are here at Bonchon. It's a Korean restaurant. Alam ko familiar kayo dito kasi meron to sa Pinas.
Right, this one is what? 6 wings and 3 drums, right?
Now we are inside the church. Just wanted to share, Ken and I are both Catholics. Pero honestly, we don't really go to Mass anymore. But tonight, being inside the church again, nakakamiss din pala. The feeling is just so different. Pero what's important is, kahit hindi kami palaging nagsisimba, we believe that God is within us. Nasa puso namin siya palagi. Tapos na kaming magsimba and we are heading to an Italian restaurant to have Christmas Eve dinner with our family friends. As Filipinos living abroad, we always say iba pa rin ang Pasko sa Pinas. And I agree. You know why? Kasi nandun yung buong pamilya mo and kumpleto kayo. Yun yung nami-miss ko, celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ with your family around you. Pero alam nyo, na-realize ko as we grow older, hindi na talaga katulad ng dati yung feeling ng Pasko. Hindi na tayo mga batang excited sa gifts because we are now adults, facing life, work, and reality. There will be times na hindi tayo kumpleto during special occasions. But one thing's for sure, Christ is still with us, within us. Let's always make space to be happy kahit malayo tayo sa mahal natin sa buhay. And right now, Ken is my family and I'm happy to be with him.